Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this power bank. So let's now start the video. So first let's create the body of the power bank. For this select the rectangle tool and make a rectangle of 300 comma 75 and now choose the arc tool and create a arc like this. Again create a arc like this. Now choose the erase tool and delete these lines. Now we'll make push pull. Drag it like this and give the dimension as 600 mm. Now choose the offset tool and give the offset of 5 mm. Now choose the push pull tool and give the dimension as 5 mm. Similarly do this on back also. Choose the offset tool, give the offset of 5 mm and choose offset tool, sorry, push pull tool and give the dimension of 5 mm. Now choose the circle command and make a circle of dia 26 mm. Again make a circle of dia 23 mm and choose the push pull command and give the dimension as 3 mm. Now we'll make the power on off button. Also select the circle tool and make a circle of diameter 15 mm. Again make a circle of dia 13 mm. Now choose the 2-point arc tool and create an arc like this. Again make an arc of like this. Now choose the erase tool and delete these lines. Now choose the rectangle tool and make a rectangle over here. Now choose the arc tool and create an arc like this. Again create another arc like this. Now choose the erase tool and delete these lines. Now go to push pull tool and give the offset as 2 mm. Again give the offset as 2 mm. Now we'll make the USB port. For this select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of 15 comma 50. Again create another rectangle like this. Now choose the push pull tool and drag it to 15 mm. Now we'll make the type C port. For this select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle like this. Now choose the arc tool and make an arc like this. Again make an arc like this. Now choose the erase tool and delete these lines. Now choose the offset tool, give an offset of 3 mm. Now choose the push pull tool and give dimension to 4 mm. Now we will make the charging indicator lights. For this, select the circle tool and make a circle of 6 mm. Again, make a circle 6 mm. Another circle of same 6 mm. One more circle of 6 mm. Now choose the push pull tool. Select the profile and give the offset of 1 mm. Again 1 mm. Again 1 mm. Again 1 mm. Now we'll add the text. For this, choose the text tool and first we will give for USB port. Tap the USB here and click OK and click it over here. Now we'll add the text for Type C port. For this choose the text tool, enter Type C, click OK and click it over here. Now we'll add the text for indicator lights. For this, again choose the text tool, enter indicator lights and click OK and place it over here. Now we'll add the company name for power bank. Choose the text tool and type Redmi and click OK and place it over here. Now let's add the capacity of the power bank. For this, choose the text tool and enter 1000 mAh and also write the name power bank. Click OK and place it over here. Now let's color the power bank. Go to colors and I will choose the white color and here I will add black color, back side also black color and for power button I will add this green color and for lights I will add this color and for text I will add red color. Now as you can see our power bank has been created.